Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we are going to find the value of square root of 247 square minus 153 square. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. So let's go ahead and get started with the solution. And here's the very first step we are going to do. Let's focus on this radicand inside this square root. And here's our radicand. Now let's assume that this 247 is our A and this 153 is our B. Then this expression could be written as A square minus B square. And now let's recall this famous identity A square minus B square. If we apply this one over here, then we can write this one as A plus B times A minus B. And now let's go ahead and plug back our values. A for 247 and B for 153. And here I plugged back these values for A's and B's. And now if we add these numbers, we are going to get 400. And if we subtract these one, we are going to get 94. And now we can see that this 400 is a perfect square since it could be broken down to 20 times 20. On the other hand, 94 is not a perfect square since 94 could only be broken down to 2 times 47 and 47 is our prime number. So therefore we can write this one as 400 could be written as 20 times 20. And I can leave this 94 as it is. So therefore, I am going to replace this whole radicand by this simplified form. So I can write this one as square root of 20 times 20 times 94. And now we can see we have a 22 of a kind. So I can bring this 20 outside this radical and we left with only 94 inside the radical. So thus our simplified answer turns out to be a 20 times square root of 94. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.